MRPeasy, and Papa Barkley. Cannabis product maker Papa Barkley improves production, compliance, and employee relations with MRPeasy software. After outgrowing Google Sheets and recognizing that a CRM software package couldn't fully fit its needs, Papa Barkley, maker of cannabis-based holistic products, turned to MRPeasy to shorten its production cycles, ensure regulatory compliance, and even improve employee morale. California-based Papa Barkley, which produces and distributes THC and CBD licensed medical products, as well as fresh, frozen, and connoisseur products, was at risk of becoming a victim of its own success. The company had grown from a staff of 4 in 2017 to 30 employees 2018 to its current level of 200 in 2019. While business grew, the company strained to maintain efficient and effective operations, which is especially important in the government-regulated cannabis industry. COO Boris Sharansky and Supply Chain System Director John Schoenbeck realized that nickels and dimes were being added to the length of production cycles and that increased business created a number of supply chain challenges. Starting as a home-based business with 4 employees in 2017, Papa Barkley operated on Google Sheets, but transitioned a customer relationship management, or CRM, system as it grew. The CRM system required a significant amount of customization, increasing complexity and cost, and ultimately wasn't the solution. After research, which included a review of 23 different solutions, MRPeasy was implemented in August of 2018. Since then, the new cloud-based ERP MRP software has helped reduce Papa Barkley's production cycle from 3 months to 2 months, and the accuracy of inventory from 60 to 70% to 99%. The 99% accuracy level may surpass most companies' requirements, but is necessary in California, where 97% minimum accuracy level is needed per California cannabis regulations. Anything at 97% or below would trigger an audit of the company's entire inventory. While MRPeasy initially supported production at Papa Barkley, which includes converting raw materials to finished goods, the system is now also used to procure a wide range of products from cannabis to non-cannabis production materials and office supplies. MRPeasy is also essential to logistics at Papa Barkley. This includes shipping, distribution, and fulfillment, which because of regulatory requirements has an added layer of complexity that includes track and trace capabilities with rigorous compliance testing standards and quality control standards. Halfway through the production process, product samples are sent to the state for testing. Once approved, Papa Barkley can finish production and ship batches to its Southern California location for distribution to retail dispensaries. Recall protection is vital to us, said Sharansky, who noted that Papa Barkley has never had to recall any products. All the manufacturers in our industry need the ability to pinpoint where specific products were shipped. If you can't locate a batch that needs to be recalled, we'd be forced to recall all our products, which would not only be time-consuming, but very expensive. Employee morale has improved substantially and in line with stock accuracy at Papa Barkley's production center. As inventory accuracy has improved, conflict between departments has been reduced. As in most production environments, one department depends on the other departments. Inaccurate inventory levels create delays, and that, in turn, created personnel issues as people were blaming each other instead of the system, said Schoenbeck. One of the reasons for the company's success with the software is MRPeasy's ease of use. The MRPeasy system, runs the firm's entire supply chain on just 4 basic commands, according to Schoenbeck. It's the first time all of the staff is using a system like this, said Schoenbeck. We started with 30 people on MRPeasy in the production department, and it's grown to 90, including procurement and logistics.